Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Chef Alexis. I am also Barista Alex. Today we are going to make caramel latte, caramel ice latte. It's a cold drink, but good for in summer, good for hot season. Yeah. Then we use caramel syrup. Caramel syrup. It looks like this one. You see, this is caramel syrup. There is another caramel sauce. To those who knows caramel sauce, this is caramel syrup. Yeah. Before we start to make it step by step, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make it. Please hit subscribe button and like. Then we start with apply our cup. Then we put like 2 pinch, like we pump like this, two, like this. We pump like this. This caramel syrup, it's very sweet. Yeah. Then after to put this, we apply the ice cube. Then here we mix, put the ice cube. You see, after ice cube we put cold milk. Then we put our cold milk. Put our cold milk. Then this space is for espresso. After this one, we are going to extract our espresso. To those who didn't saw how I made espresso, today I'm going to show you again how to make espresso. So espresso, this you have to put aside. We come back on it after. Then espresso, we have to make our scale good. Then we extract our coffee powder, grams 18. Grams 18. Have to add a little more. Then after, you have to level it, make it flat inside like this. Then tamp. After tamping, or you can use this tamper to tamp our coffee like this, but today we use automatic tamping. Then you have to put this cup, and before rinse or go paint to remove some, if there is dirty, to remove it. Then put portafilter. Be ready for next video. I will show you how to use this machine all. You see, our coffee extraction, it's already starting. To wait like. Then after it's finished, we add here in our caramel drink, cold drink. It's good. It's good in summer, especially in summer. Then you see, extraction is good on 32 seconds. You see, our espresso is good. Yeah. Then after we see our coffee espresso, we have to add. Yeah, to make it good, we have to put your coffee on this ice like this. Yeah, just slow by slow to make our coffee layers of color. You see, now here we go. This is what we call caramel latte. Very good drink. Very cold, very sweetness. Yeah, this is very good. Go and try it at home, go and try it at work. It's very good when weather is very hot. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao. It's Chef Alexis, Barista Alexis. Make sure you hit subscribe and like. In the comment, I need your idea. Thank you so much.